When did you celebrate with family, friends, or give yourself a break? It's essential to make time for family and friends and prioritize these relationships. No matter how busy life gets, we should always remember to take a break and spend time with the people who matter most to us. This can have a positive impact on our mental health and overall happiness. And remember, every day is a holiday. Hello, I am Victor. Today we're going to talk about the holidays on March 26th. Good Hair Day. Good Hair Day is an informal observance that typically occurs when someone feels that their hair looks particularly good and they receive compliments or positive feedback from others. While it is not an official holiday, Good Hair Day is often celebrated as a way to boost one's confidence and self-esteem. Having a good hair day can mean different things to different people, depending on their hair type, style, and personal preferences. Some people may consider a good hair day to be when their hair is shiny, smooth, and free of frizz or tangles, while others may prefer a more voluminous or textured look. To celebrate a good hair day, people may choose to take photos, share their selfies on social media, or simply enjoy the feeling of having great hair. They may also take extra care in maintaining their hair, such as using high-quality hair products, getting regular trims, and protecting their hair from heat damage. While a good hair day may seem like a small thing, it can have a big impact on a person's mood and confidence. Feeling good about one's appearance can help to boost self-esteem and promote positive feelings of self-worth. National Spinach Day. National Spinach Day is an annual observance held on March 26 to celebrate the nutritional benefits and versatility of spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Spinach is a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked in a variety of dishes, such as salads, soups, stir-fries, and casseroles. It is also a popular ingredient in smoothies and juices, as it adds nutrients and flavor without overpowering other ingredients. National Spinach Day is an opportunity to celebrate the many benefits of spinach and to explore new ways to incorporate it into meals and snacks. Some people may choose to experiment with different spinach-based recipes or try out new cooking techniques, while others may simply enjoy a delicious spinach salad or smoothie. Epilepsy Awareness Purple Day. Purple Day, also known as Epilepsy Awareness Day, is an annual observance held on March 26 to raise awareness about epilepsy, a neurological disorder that affects over 50 million people worldwide. Purple Day was founded in 2008 by a young girl named Cassidy Megan, who wanted to raise awareness about epilepsy and reduce the stigma associated with the condition. The color purple was chosen to represent the day because it is associated with the lavender flower, which is often used to calm and soothe individuals with epilepsy. On Purple Day, people are encouraged to wear purple clothing, jewelry, or accessories to show their support for epilepsy awareness. There may also be educational events, fundraisers, or other activities held in local communities to raise awareness about epilepsy and provide support to individuals and families affected by the condition. The goal of Purple Day is to increase understanding and acceptance of epilepsy, reduce the social stigma that can be associated with the condition, and promote research and advocacy efforts to improve the lives of those living with epilepsy. Through education and awareness-raising efforts, Purple Day aims to create a more inclusive and supportive society for people with epilepsy and their families. Make Up Your Own Holiday Day. Make Up Your Own Holiday Day is a fun and creative observance that encourages people to invent their own holidays and celebrate them in any way they choose. This unofficial holiday is typically observed on March 26th. To celebrate Make Up Your Own Holiday Day, individuals and groups can come up with their own unique holidays and share them with others. These holidays can be based on personal interests, cultural traditions, or anything else that inspires creativity and imagination. Some people may choose to create holidays that celebrate their favorite foods, hobbies, or sports teams, while others may use the day to honor important people or causes in their lives. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is one's own imagination. National Nougat Day. National Nougat Day is an unofficial holiday that celebrates the sweet, chewy confection made from sugar, honey, nuts, and sometimes chocolate. The holiday is typically observed on March 26th. Nougat has been a popular candy throughout Europe for centuries, with variations of the sweet treat originating in Italy, France, Spain, and other countries. The nougat that is most commonly known today is made with sugar, honey, and almonds, and is typically white in color. Other types of nougat may include pistachios, hazelnuts, or walnuts, and may be flavored with vanilla or other spices. To celebrate National Nougat Day, people may enjoy nougat candy in its various forms, such as bars, bites, or as an ingredient in other desserts like ice cream or cake. They may also try making their own nougat at home. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a great time.